The sounds of English. Sound P. Here's the sound wall. Can you find P? Here it is. P is for pot. 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 Watch my mouth. Put your lips together. Make a puff of air as your lips pop. Your voice does not hum. You can feel the air. Say the sound. Now it's your turn. Say the sound with me. What is this? Pot. 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 What other words do you know that start with a P sound? Here are some words that I know. Listen for the sound P. Page. 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 Paint. 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 Pen. 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 Pencil. 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 Piano. 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 Pig. 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 Police. 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 Pool. 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 Pot. 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 Potato. 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 Read the words. Page. Paint. Pen. Pencil. Piano. Pig. Police. Pool. Pot. Potato. Write the words. Do you know how we spell the sound P? There are two ways we can spell the sound P, with one P, as in hip, or two P's, as in happy. Here's a challenge for you. What other words have the sound P? The next lesson will be about the sound B, as in ball. If you would like more free learning resources, subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Canadian English. You can also find all my videos for free at www.mycanadianenglish.com.